How to know the particular journal is Scopus Index or not? So today we'll know about this. So generally maximum researchers how to know the journal is Scopus Index or not, right? For this, first go to the Scopus website, right? For this, I'm going to this website, right? Please go to this, that is Scopus. Right here, see there are two options: other search and sources, right? Go to the sources, right? Now here we have to enter subject area, title, publisher, ISN. So by using all these four we can search but about the journal, right? I will go with the title, right? Let us consider first one journal, right? This is the one journal, International Journal of Microwave and Optical Technology, right? Whether we will see that this journal is Scopus indexed or not. If it is Scopus indexed, then from which year to which year it is continuing the Scopus database, and how many issues are, how many publications are published in particular year, right? First we will know about this, right? For this, go to this IJMOT, find sources, right? International Journal of Micro and Optical Technology, right? See, now it comes International Journal of Micro and Optical. Now click on this journal, right? See the Scopus coverage years from which year, 2011 to present. 2011 to present. This is ISN number 155-0396, right? So which subject area? Engineering and materials. Now if you see here the site score and everything, first we should know Scopus content coverage. See, 2021 32 documents published. In 2020 73 documents. See, publications, how many publications are generated. So this is a Scopus indexed journal. In this way, we will know. In this way, we know about whether this journal is Scopus indexed or not, and how many publications are published in 2020 73 documents. So we can publish any paper in this journal. So if you publish a journal in this journal, your article in this journal, then the particular journal is belongs to Scopus indexed, right? Now we will see another journal, right? See, there is advances in intelligent systems and computing, whether it is belongs to Scopus indexed or not, right? So first we go through this, then go to Scopus sources, right? Then go to the title, see advanced in systems and computing. Now we see Scopus coverage 2005 to 2006, and 2007 there is not coverage, 2008, 2009 not coverage, 2010 from 2000 to present. But here see discontinued in Scopus. So that means the journal is not belongs to Scopus. Please try to understand. Coverage discontinued in Scopus. That means the particular journal is not indexed in Scopus, right? If you see the coverage, back see how many papers are published. 9,395 documents are published in 2020. See 15,769 documents. That means per month how many you see once you observe. See this is the, so that means this journal is not indexed in Scopus. Why? Because coverage discontinues in Scopus, right? Please try to understand, right? Now coming to the third one. Now coming to third, International Journal of Control Theory and Applications. International Journal of Control Theory and Applications. We'll see whether this journal is Scopus indexed or not, right? Go to the sources, right? It came. Click on this. See, Scopus coverage from which year to which year? 2012 to 16 only. That coverage is discontinued. So that means this IJCTA International Journal of Control Theory and Applications is not indexed in Scopus presently, right? So in this way we will see whether the journal is in Scopus index or not, right? So while you are publishing in any journal, please go through this and find whether the journal is Scopus indexed or not. If it is indexed, go to the content coverage, then you will see what is the publication, how many documents are publishing in each year, right? So in this way we will see how to know the particular journal is Scopus indexed or not. Thank you.